7 diet plans for weight loss. Diet plan low carb. In today's video, we are going to share with you 7 individual low-carb diet plans that you can follow to lose weight successfully and keep it off if low carb is your chosen method of weight loss. These are 7 distinct diet plans, so make sure that you understand what type of meals that are contained in each plan. If you're looking to follow a diet plan, low carb is the best option for losing weight. That is according to a study published by Stats Pearls in 2019. Specifically, the researchers pointed out that low-carb diets induce rapid weight loss, support the health of people with type 2 diabetes, and lowers risk for cardiovascular diseases. With all these science-backed benefits, it would be difficult even to consider other weight loss plans, especially for people with diabetes. But while it has been proven that restricting carbohydrates is the most effective way to shed fat in pounds, it's not always easy to follow. So, to help you get a handle on this, here are 7 diet plans for weight loss that are nutritious, delicious, and easy to prepare. Low-Carb Diet Plan 1. Breakfast, bacon and eggs. Morning snack, apple with almond butter. Lunch, grilled chicken on squash noodles with lime dressing. Afternoon snack, baked zucchini sticks. Dinner, spicy tuna Cobb salad. Low-Carb Diet Plan 2. Breakfast, chia pudding. Morning snack, mixed berries with whipped cream. Lunch, sausages with roasted vegetables. Afternoon snack, lettuce wrapped tuna. Dinner, skirt steak with roasted asparagus. Low-Carb Diet Plan 3. Breakfast, protein pancakes. Morning snack, stuffed avocado. Lunch, pork chop with corn and carrots. Afternoon snack, carrot sticks with aioli dip. Dinner, tofu steak with baked beans. Low-Carb Diet Plan 4. Breakfast, avocado, tomato, and egg salad. Morning snack, berry smoothie. Lunch, ham and mushroom omelet. Afternoon snack, almonds and pumpkin seeds. Dinner, steamed tilapia fillet with herbed cauliflower. Low-Carb Diet Plan 5. Breakfast, Greek yogurt with strawberries. Morning snack, cheese-stuffed dried apricots. Lunch, butterfly shrimp and roasted bell peppers. Afternoon snack, nori-wrapped avocado. Dinner, salmon steak with salad greens. Low-Carb Diet Plan 6. Breakfast, smoked salmon and scrambled eggs. Morning snack, peaches with cottage cheese. Lunch, stuffed eggplant with guacamole. Afternoon snack, carrot sticks with peanut butter. Dinner, avocado and tuna salad. Low-Carb Diet Plan 7. Breakfast, breakfast sausages and blanched spinach. Morning snack, salted tomato and mozzarella. Lunch, roasted chicken with shredded cabbage and tahini. Afternoon snack, sardines on flaxseed crackers. Dinner, chickpea and salmon poke bowl. These diet plans are merely ideas for you to follow so that you don't have to rack your brain for appropriate food ideas. Feel free to mix them up or stick with just one or a few of these plans for days. If you don't mind repetition, that will surely make it easier for you to prepare your meals. Additionally, most of these low-carb meal suggestions can be prepared in advance. That way, healthy meals that support your weight loss goals are always at hand. Follow these 7 diet plans for consecutive days, and you're guaranteed to see visible results. Before trying a diet plan, low-carb options might seem too restrictive and could make you feel deprived. However, once you've tried it, you'll realize that you feel fuller for longer and you're more energetic. Plus, you'll get to sustain your ideal body weight, unlike when you get your results through fad diets. Here are the study references.